Nick was done with his food.
We can do a race while he eats his food.
No, we can't.
You can do an
No, we
ethic
can't.
quizzing?
We'll have
No,
a
we
head
can't.
start ahead of him.
You would have to accept the invite to the race. So.
No, he doesn't.
He does.
So I'm really hoping they're gonna put the turpits up for sale again because I'm gonna buy that shit.
I want the Prince fucking Eugen.
Wagon?
Dugan.
I like how a lot of people think that Bismarck and Eugen were sisters, and they weren't.
I know, right?
No.
They look alike.
They
but-
looked a
but
lot
they're not,
alike,
yeah.
but one's noticeably smaller.
No, you Kurt Cobain fuckers. That's not how it works.
What?
Nah, people thinking that Prinz Eugen and Biscolindo are sisters.
No, like Tirpitz and Bismarck were sisters because they were the same class of ship.
Yes.
Tirpitz was the bigger sister because she had bigger guns, or like one more, like something noticeably bigger. I don't remember what it was.
I think she
The
was
breasts?
she had actually better armor. Slightly.
Yeah,
she
the
had better
breasts.
armor. She had a lot of stuff.
Well, because the Bismarck, they learned their lesson.
He had better personality.
Yeah, she did.
Your mom had a better personality too.
Bad
You know what else she
personality?
had?
Is that what you just said?
She had a bed personality.
My
Yeah.
dick.
Oh, my bad, Blake.
Knowledge.
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 Oh, sweet! I got a Saipan on my team.
Wait, is that thing even out yet?
He's a tester.
What is?
Saipan.
Saipan. I'm not good enough at the carrier, so I wasn't asked to do
Saipan?
it, sadly.
Frying pan?
No, Saipan.
Frying
An
pan.
island.
Whenever they bring out battleships and cruisers and shit like that, I usually get asked to test them out and shit, but cruisers and shit, not cruisers, but carriers I don't because I suck at them. Ladle, 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 dreidel, padle, badle, dadle.
Also, what warships weren't there like Filipino ships as well or something?
No.
No, there's some Chinese. There's some Chinese shit.
Oh, okay.
It's the Lo Yang and the what the fuck is the other one?
They got
And
Ukrainian
Shan.
ships.
They're Russian.
No, they don't, Willie.
I know. Ukraine is landlocked.
Yeah.
No,
Is
it's
it?
not.
I was gonna say no, it's not.
For a second there, I
Nepalese,
thought it did. For a second there, I thought it was. What is a landlocked country
Nepal.
besides Canada? Oh,
Canada's not landlocked.
Some
God damn,
examples
Willie.
of landlocked countries are
Australia.
Hawaii,
Nepal, Bhutan.
China.
China,
China's not.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Goddamn.
Egypt.
Egypt.
Is one of them... I don't think Egypt is.
It's not.
Egypt is next to the Red Sea.
It's
United
It's
Kingdom.
not.
United Kingdom.
Yeah.
Niger. I mean Niger.
Niger.
There's
I mean,
gotta
bigger.
be one of them African countries that are landlocked.
There's a
ton
lot
of
of
them.
African countries that are landlocked. Lack of geography knowledge disturbs
There's also a
me.
lot of knowledge.
Shut up.
We need to read some of those books. So you
Get a
had-
Lamborghini
You need
for
to
your Lamborghini.
read a book every day.
Read a book. Read a book. Read a motherfucking book.
I'll read Harry Potter every day.
right?
That'll make me smart and give me Lamborghinis.
Wingardium Leviosa, bitch.
You said that so wrong.
I know I did. I
It's
know I did.
Leviosa.
Leviosa.
Not Leviosa. It's Leviosa.
Oh, Ron.
Uh-huh.
Eh.
Bro's getting ready to do that, Nick. God damn it. Quick, Harry. You're the chosen one.
Yeah,
Harry
Harry.
Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Tiny.
Except the invite two fucks.
Except the invite you fucks.
When Harry Potter goes to the gym.
That one was hilarious. What is this, Harry fucking Spotter?
Yeah.
I don't have an invite.
Wingardium, come at me, bro.
It's a 4-player heist, sorry.
Oh, you're doing a heist. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what happened? What happened to the... I thought we had to drive the EMP into the place first.
Oh, that one. Well. Well, it says.
Whatever, I'll be on the ground team. I want
I
to...
guess you were
be in there.
wrong.
Oh snap! Shots fired.
I thought we had to do that too, actually.
Yeah. Which is why I'm confused as to why we're going straight end.
Or not, it's the EMP.
It's the EMP.
Oh, okay.
Quit holding your crotch.
Why was it showing on my screen that we were about to complete the thing?
Look, it's Toto. Africa.
God damn you, Willie.
Hands down, Africa.
I felt the rain
Okay, we're gonna
down
listen to
in
that now.
Africa. Ah!
Never do that again, Dakota.
Fucking God. I just got that shit out of my head, too, man.
I don't care. Can we skip this idiot?
I'm the helicopter pilot.
Oh God, you're gonna
Fly
crash.
something.
Nick,
Fly
we're
something.
we're doing the EMP.
Let me fly something. I want to fly something.
So we're stealing. Everyone's going to get a jet.
Yay! It's
Nick
my
is the
favorite.
captain now.
I want to
Look
fly
at
something.
me. Look at me. I am the captain now.
I'm the
Look at me.
Hitler now.
I'm the captain now.
Here, let me grab. I can grab the Akuma, the bagger. Come on. Cannot. Oh, fine. I'll take the insert.
God damn that sackcloth.
What's up, guys?
Why is that available in every fucking mission?
What's the matter, Willie?
Kinda looks
Jealous
like
'cause
a
I'm more
false, like it makes
baller than
someone
you are?
Uncomfortable.
Duck actually looks like he's prepared to fly a plane.
Hell yeah, motherfucker.
Here, insurgent. We all have to go to the same point anyway, so just get in. But Willie,
I can't.
Oh.
Lock the door.
Oh, I can't get in.
there, get in.
Where's the D?
I call it shotgun, bitch.
My mouth is on fire.
No.
Shit.
My mouth is on fire. Holy shit.
Just wait.
Are you regretting it,
It's
Nick?
gotta come out.
Dude, ghost peppers are so hot.
Dude, we lost a life. Fuck.
Oh, no one died.
He
My
lost
mouth
a
is on
life.
fire.
Willie, I'm gonna pick you up.
Okay.
I seriously feel like I'm on narcotics. I can't feel my mouth.
Hey, you know, actually, that
Well,
is
you're
a thing.
inside
The
there,
chili
Willie.
hive?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
Like, it's
that's
great.
a legit thing.
Like, it's so great. it hurts so good.
Your sinuses are all feeling good now.
I don't feel my sinuses at all.
That's why it's great.
Yeah.
I can't feel my face when you're my ghost Peppa.
I feel like
My
a
ghost
fire-breathing
Peppa.
dragon right now. Every time I breathe out, it's like fire.
What are we doing?
Killing
Oh,
that motherfucker.
shit.
Yeah, I didn't like him either. He looked
I
like a nigger.
lagged out like a motherfucker just then.
What the hell? That lag, dude?
Like, we stopped, and I was like, what are we doing? All of a sudden,
Not
bam!
stopping.
Yeah, you never stop.
Yeah, I realize that
This
now.
train stops for no one.
Yeah, Macho Man Randy
You
Savage.
It's the beam train. Ooh, yeah. Oh, we weren't supposed to get off there.
No, just go right. Go right. Go right. Go right.
No.
No.
No,
right.
that adds an extra couple kilometers.
Oh,
my
As
God,
opposed
you
to this
fucking
adding
nigger.
a couple, like 30 seconds.
It goes
now
from-
you screwed it up for sure.
It adds a full kilometer, so fuck it. We're going this way. The way I intended to go. Stop me! Stop shooting!
Okay.
Stop throwing grenades!
Okay.
Stop throwing stickies! Keep your arms, keep all limbs inside the vehicle.
Are you sure you want him to keep his arms inside the vehicle? Then he wouldn't be able to throw his grenades outside.
God.
I can't believe we're not even getting caught with that.
Well, when we reached the carrier, no one died.
Oh Christ, oh Christ, oh Christ, oh Christ.
That physics was weird.
Yeah. Come on.
Really? Are
Oh,
you trying
we're
to make
stuck.
babies here?
Just get out. Just get out, we're stuck.
Someone
Damn it,
just
man.
an A+ in driving school.
Oh God, I'm falling down the hill.
You idiot.
Ugh.
Why?
That's awesome.
I think we need another life.
I think we need a life.
What was so hard about don't die in the first place?
On penis.
You went over.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You were the one who was in the way. Oh, come on. We're
Oh my
spawning all the
God.
way back here.
Oh my God.
Just get the insurgent.
What the hell?
Yeah, I don't know.
Problem solved, sir.
Nick.
Ow.
Shoot me now, bitch!
Shit.
Lily just got out of the car.
Is this one of
Rocket
those
launcher
that's
at
going
the
to take
ground.
us like in years to complete because we're
Anti-aircraft gun
dying?
crews are on normal alert.
No.
We're doing this.
We're doing this.
Our victory is in sight.
I can't feel
We're gonna do it. This
All
time.
night long.
Nick, did you see the that hot sauce I sent you? The brand new asshole?
Oh no, hang on. That's what you sent me.
Willie.
Well, if you didn't move,
Why is he getting out? No, get back in.
What the fuck?
Problem solved, sir.
Wow.
You guys.
please tell me someone else saw that.
What?
So what?
When he got onto the bike, he
It
just,
just fell over.
yeah. It just fell over like the speed of light. That was fucking hilarious.
Where are we going?
We're going to a dinghy. Nick.
What?
Grenade hand down.
Okay.
Do you want to tell him?
Gun hand down.
I have no idea where this dinghy is.
Maybe if you were in the insurgent, you know, you'd
I'll-
find a way there.
You know what? I'm gonna put the dinghy on my map. And I'm gonna get there before you.
Uh-huh.
As long as I use my noises.
So hot.
Will you stop attracting? Oh my god.
Attracting who?
Sexy people.
Sexy
Bringing
people.
sexy
Flag.
back. Yeah.